Hey guys, so if you have issue with your ROG Ally not booting, I was looking on how you can possibly fix the issue. So this is something I found already. Maybe it's going to be helpful. If not, I'm sorry. Is that you need to hold down power button only for 2 seconds, or maximum hold it for 3 seconds. So don't hold the power button for too long if you want to, like this guy right here, that he was like pressing and holding it. Like it's not going to work. And I just want to make this quick video for you that you shouldn't like press it too long. Maybe you're making the mistake. If not, then I'm sorry. I was just like looking for the quick way how we can fix the issue. But yeah, just hold it for 2-3 seconds. And if that is not going to work out, if you've also connected the SD card, I'll try to remove it and try to put it back in. Maybe it's going to fix, but I don't think so. So that's pretty much it. And have a great day and goodbye.